Hi, my name is Pop. I'm making a video tutorial in Ubuntu Basics showing how you can add a weather indicator in Ubuntu 13.04. It's been removed from the Ubuntu Software Center, and now several people have said it's fixed. I've tried a couple of them and they don't work. Let me try this one and we'll see what we can do. I've got highlighted here the first of 4 lines of commands that you'll have to copy and paste into the terminal. I'm going to hit CtrlC because I've got this first line outlined in orange. It's highlighted. CtrlC. Now I'm going to open up the terminal with CtrlAltT, and then to paste you go ShiftCtrlV, hit enter, password, enter, and let's see what happens. Okay, I've got that. Let's go to the second line. Second line is sudo apt-get repository weather indicator team. Control-C. Go back to the terminal. Shift-Control-V to paste. Enter. Enter. Takes a while. Next line, sudo apt-get update in case there's been some changes. Control-C. Back to the terminal. Shift-Control-V. Enter. This one usually takes a while because it's going through everything. Go to the last one. Sudo apt-get install. Control-C. Back to the terminal. See how it's doing. It's almost done. Shift-Control-V. Enter. You want to continue? Yes. I sure hope this works. I kind of miss the old weather app up there. You've got to configure it after you load the thing. You need to tell it what town you're in and stuff like that. Still cooking. If it takes too much longer, I'll have to edit this video and remove this segment right here, which is sort of a dead zone in the video, but also it'll give you an idea about how long this is going to take. Oops, what's that mean? Warning. Sometimes when you install programs like this, they don't work. In fact, this is my second go around. I looked online and I got a prior one. It was a 3-liner and it said it was fixed, and it wasn't fixed. So it said I had unmet dependencies, and this one is different. It's got 4 lines in it, and I am hoping that this will work. Of course, this is just fluff. If you have got a thing like this up on your panel, great. If you don't, you can still look out the window, right? Let's close this terminal. Temporarily, let's diminish this. Let's go up here, and I'm just going to type in the word weather. W-E-A. Weather indicator, son of a gun. Enter. That must be it right up here. Set up. Alrighty. Conditions, locations. I think we're going to have to put in locations. Add. Search our database. Alright. Well, how about maybe I should go down. No. H-O-U. I'm in Houston, Texas. Shazam. Continue. 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 OK. I'm not going to worry about units, Fahrenheit, centigrade. Uh-oh, closed unexpectedly. Crash report, crash and burn. Let's try it again. Show temperature, alright. No notifications. Ooh, let's do severe weather alerts. Condition. Wind speed. I don't know. I don't want a Canadian weather report. I'm going to hit heat index US. Right. Units. We're old-fashioned here. We're going to do Fahrenheit and miles per hour instead of meters per second. And I got my location. And I hit OK. Please don't crash. What's a mother to do? I'm going to go ahead and close this video, and I'm going to turn off my computer and I'm going to start it back up, and I want to see if this thing works. So goodbye for a moment. Okay, I am back. I turned off my computer and I turned it back on, and then I renamed the first file that I recorded as A, and then this is the one I'm recording right now. I called it B. I'm going to call it B, and then I'll merge them together, and that's the video I'm going to turn into YouTube. But here's my app. Houston, cloudy, 77, and so on and so on. And I can add additional cities to it. I don't know how much computing power this takes. I don't think it takes much at all, probably. Anyway, that's all I got. My name is Pop. I thank you very, very much. I enjoy making YouTube videos called Ubuntu Basics, and I've got, a million of them, several hundred. Well, 150, thereabouts. Thank you very, very much. Oh, a quick PS here. I thought I would show really quickly how I merged together those things, and I'm merging a fourth one onto this. I did the first one and I renamed it A, and then I did the second one and I renamed it B, and then I took A and B and merged them together with MKVMERGE, and I created Z. But now I'm recording this one, so I'm going to add that on too. So let me just show you the script for that really quickly. I've got it here as a gedit file. This is a text file that I told to run as a program, or you can just cut and paste. So the first one that A and B, and I made a Z out of it, is I just went in here like this, copied this, CtrlC copy, and then I opened up a terminal, and then I went ShiftCtrlV, and I made A and B add together and produce Z. Well, right now I'm going to do one better than that, and I'm going to take Z and then add it onto this thing. So I got to rename it A. You understand what I'm doing? I'm just adding a thing on top of a thing on top of a thing on top of a thing as many times as you want to. If you want to put three of them together, you go down here to this one, and A, B, and C, and I am taking, here's A plus B plus C, and I'm turning it into Z. Now I'm using the WEBM, even though it's MKV. MKVMERGE works with WEBM, and WEBM is real clear. So I just wanted to clarify that. And after I finish recording this and stop, I'm going to merge this onto the end of what I've already done. Thank you again.